I got fake friends. Money in the pocket, but I got fake friends. This is the one. Sit down, again. 1 minute of silence.
Reaction.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Right now I have a song called Bag of Fake Friends. The one that's for the fake people. This one is for the fake friends, okay? Bag of Fake Friends by Honezty. This is a message straight out of Belize. I don't know what's happening to people. Yeah man, represent right now. Lucky. Like up the video. Let's get 100 likes on this video right now. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Let's see what's popping for this song right now. Leave a like. You see me I say? Golden rule again. We start it back. We just started Tyrekevlogs. Golden rule. Like the button. Push the like button. Drop some fire emoji in the comment section. That's the rules for the channel. Like the video. Fire emojis. I'll wait. Run tune! Bomba! Is that a movie? I got fake friends, Derek by Alfred. Big up yourself. Sure.
What it go on, G? What it go on, my dad? Yeah, man. All the family. Everything good, G, you don't know. Guess who I run into last night, G? Who that? Fucking Tyrone, G, remember he? Fucking Tyrone. You remember who he's still with? Who that? Guess.
So video do America, alright?
Shelly. You remember Shelly?
Shelly with the big body?
Yes.
Yeah? Of course remember Shelly with the big body.
Hey, but real shit, man. What up? On a serious note, you remember Jay? I'm gonna tell you about?
Yeah. What Jay do?
Yeah, man. You sure you good?
Hey, the boy, hey, how I go on now? Yes, I pray the man drip out. Dog have grills in them. And I 100 that. Go on, money!
Yeah, man. I don't know the boy 10 years, G. He good.
You know my body, so 1, 2, set so.
Yeah.
Don't know, man. Good. All about the money.
Cause you know when I
All about the money.
money talk.
Yes, my boy. You don't know. Alright, cool. I'll give you a call later, alright? Set everything up.
That shit,
But it'll go on tonight. Alright, cool, man. Alright, bet them up.
Then I show up to grill them. Aha!
You don't know.
Yeah.
Honezty.
Honezty.
Money in your pocket, but I fake friends.
Pause. Oh, when you have money in your pocket, see that time, money in your pocket have a bag of fake friends, but Nicki Minaj they done with chopping, you know, chopping. That's every man dream, you know. Also on a nightmare too. Go on! Money in your pocket, bag of fake friends. Yeah.
Money in your pocket, but I fake friends. This is the warning. Set down again. Money in your pocket, but I fake friends. Dollars are money more problem. Money in your pocket, but I fake friends. This is the warning. Set down again. If you like me, then I like you.
Yeah.
If you love me, then
I love you.
If you want war, leave that for this switch at them. Let me smoke my speaker.
Ah, chain, bloom, bloom. If you like me, like you. See me, I say, if you love me, I love you too. You do me, I say, but if you want war, Go on, go war. Left a few soldier them. Me not in another party with you. Money. Go on.
Where was the family that never supported me?
Yeah.
Money in your pocket, but I fake
friend, what's going on? Alright.
Money in your pocket, but I fake friends. This is a warning. Money.
Yo, boy, Gilly. He gonna be on for later tonight. John, no, so basically, the man gonna rob Gilly, the man with the diamond teeth, the grilling and teeth and the diamond chain and everything. I heard the man grab him. Go on.
In your pocket,
I got fake friends.
Dollars are money more problem.
Money in the pocket, bag of fake friends.
This is a warning. Set down again. 1 minute of silence. 1 minute of silence. For the one that we get killed by the violence.
Yeah.
For the man we get picked up by the best friends.
Alright.
Blood thicker than water. Can't trust the blood. Can't just a friend.
And that's all. If you can't just a friend, you say you can't just say blood clot blood. You just a friend. But hear me, I say to you now, intermission time, people. You have vibe to that song, and I come here vibe to that song, yeah? That song, if you are playing in your car, you see me, I say, especially when you're growing a friend, them, to figure out if it's fake or not. You see me, I say, so link to the original song is going to be down below in the description of this video. Also pinned in the comment section. Go check it out for yourself. You see me, go check out Honezty. Go follow Honezty official on Instagram. Official Honezty on Instagram. You see me, I say, make him say the reaction bar sending over there. So go check him out. Support the Belizean artists. You see me, I say, correct, that song you touch. That song you touch. That song you lick a pin. You see me, I say, when I can't relate to the dog, don't talk to no. Go on!
You're living good, but don't want to see you live better than them.
See it! That's good.
Money in your pocket,
But I fake friends. I can bet you any money. Say I'm friend, you shot in your shoulder. And I say I'm gonna find out say I'm friend fake. I say I'm gonna find out say a fake friend him up. I say I'm gonna find out say a fake friend him up. Watch that style there now. We're gonna see what I go on. We're gonna see, you know. We're gonna see. The background no blue to the dog, you do me? You do me? I say, yeah. Background up on different levels to the dog, but sorry. Go on!
dollars, our money, more problem. Money in your pocket, bag of fake friends. This is a warning, say I'm back again. Money in your pocket, bag of fake friends. Dollars, our money, more problem. Money in your pocket, bag of fake friends. This is a warning, say I'm back again. I don't trust nobody with my life. Best friend, sell you out, stab you in the back with a knife. I don't trust nobody with my life. Can't trust your husband, can't trust your wife. You doing good in your neighborhood, but better don't trust none of them. Keep your whereabouts to yourself. The street where you want protect, ready to see your life. Money in your pocket, but not fake friends. Dollars are money, more problem. Money in your
John, no, brother. Yo. John, what's that? Well, I'll say play out.
Money in your pocket, bag of fake friends. Dollars are money, more problem. Money in your pocket, bag of fake friends. This is a warning, say I'm back again.
John. Storytelling, storyline, real put together. I love it. We love it. More from Honezty, people. More from Honezty. You see me? Go check him out for yourself. You see me? I say, check him out. Belize. Yeah, lock in. You see me? I say everything down below in the description. Link pin in the comment section to the original song. You see me? I say go jump it in the car, jump it everywhere. Jump it in your house, make your bad man them area. Make the bad man them ear while go on. It's been about Tyrekevlogs, they came direction boss. Follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Subscribe to the channel. 10K is the goal. Run, John. Peace.